Today we have to discuss the topic entrepreneurial motivation, under which we have to learn definition of entrepreneurial motivation, key elements, importance, and need for achievement theory, where we have to see the overview, key characteristics, and relevance. Next, Maslow's hierarchy of need theory, Hertzberg's two-factor theory, McGregor's theory X and Y, and finally risk-taking behavior. So entrepreneurial motivation is the vital part of any entrepreneur because it is the internal factor so that an entrepreneur they may encourage himself to do a new business. Under which we find some key elements, which is the inner urge of that particular entrepreneur, which motivates him to do that particular startups. Finally, it is very important because he can establish himself in the society, he can achieve something, not only money and status, side by side, he can enlarge for the entire society, he can help for the entire society. Regarding the need for achievement theory, McClellan developed this theory. Those who have need, they have to achieve this theory with the help of some points. These are their need for achievement, need for accomplishment, and need for power. If that particular individual, they have the inner urge to do this, they can easily achieve all these things. Next we move to Maslow's hierarchy of need. Maslow describes 5 types of hierarchy with the help of an individual achieve his or her needs, under which first we find the physiological needs, next we find safety and security needs, next self-esteem, next love and belongings, next self-actualization. So these needs are individual achieved within a time span and it depends on the inner quality of that particular individual. Next, Hertzberg's two-factor theory, where Hertzberg highlights the hygiene factor and motivational factor which is essential for his career development and entrepreneurial development. Next, we see the McGregor's theory X and Y. McGregor classified 2 types of employees, those who under X factor, they are not willing to do that particular work. Those who are under Y factor, they are willing to do that particular work. And finally, we move to risk-taking behavior of entrepreneur. Entrepreneur, they take 4 types of risk. One is marketing risk, another one financial risk, another one operational risk, and finally strategic risk.